Hello students, today we are going to see mathematics for class 5, exercise 4C. So for the last class we have seen 4B exercise. I hope you have understood all the sum and you have done in your copy also. And today we are going to see exercise 4C. For the last class we have seen there are main 4 operations are in mathematics. First is addition, then subtraction, then multiplication and division. So we have already seen how to do the addition with fraction and subtraction with fraction, and today we are going to see the multiplication of the fraction. So today I am going to show you how to do the multiplication in the fraction number. So first example I am going to show you. This is the multiplication symbol and this is the another fraction. This is fraction, and this is multiplication, which means this two number is going to be do a multiplication. Before start this explanation, I would like to tell you only for addition and the subtraction we need to take the LCM if the denominator are different. Denominators are different. So in addition and subtraction we have to take LCM if the denominators are different. We have to make it same, then we have to do the LCM, then make it same. We have to do the addition or subtraction. But here it is very easy to do a multiplication and division where LCM is no need. So we are not going to do any LCM here, whether it is the same denominator or a different denominator, we are going to do the without LCM. So how it will be possible? Just see now, 1 by 5 into 1 by 4. You can do the cross multiplication also. You can cut the denominator and the numerator also in the multiplication. And this same rules will be applicable for division. That we will see later. So as we know, 5, 4, 1, it is not in the single table. So directly I am going to write this 1 into 1, 1, 5 into 4, 20. This is the answer. So multiplication is very easy. I am going to explain you again with one more sum. 1 divided by, this is the first sum, and I am going to explain with the second sum. 1 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 5. So I'm going to do the multiplication for this two fraction. So as I check, 1 and 3 is not in the same table and 3 and 5 is not in the same table. Now we will check in the cross. 1 and 5 is not in the same table and 3 and 3, yes. We will get the same number in the table 3. So 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. So 1 into 1, 1 and 1 into 5, 5. This is the answer. So compared to the addition and subtraction in the fraction, this multiplication is very easy to do to get the solution. So this is the only thing. You no need to take the LCM. Directly you can check the numerator and denominator. If it is in the same table, you can do the multiplication. You can make this simplify. You can make it into simplest form. If it is in the cross also, denominator numerator, denominator numerator, so only you should need, it should be a denominator numerator. This denominator will not go in the same table. If it is here also 2, here also 2, so you cannot able to cross it. Only with numerator and denominator you have to do, that is a multiplication. In other word, we can say is a product.